Everyone who uses a smartphone these days seems to know about it. Every news channel seems to be talking about it. Let's try to understand this latest technological innovation by answering a few simple questions. Yes, we are talking about ChatGPT. Welcome to Pathanti, Gyan Ka Microdose. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence based chatbot system that uses natural language processing to generate conversations. What is NLP? It is a branch of artificial intelligence within computer science that focuses on helping computers to understand the way humans write and speak. GPT-3 Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3 is a state-of-the-art language processing AI model. It is one of the largest and most powerful language processing artificial intelligence models to date, with 175 billion parameters. Responses from ChatGPT sound quite human-like because they were trained on vast amounts of data written by people. OpenAI, a San Francisco-based AI and research company, launched ChatGPT on November 30, 2022. OpenAI also created Whisper, an automatic speech recognition system, and Dolly 2, a popular AI image and art generator. Okay, what does ChatGPT do? It enables users to ask questions or tell a story, and the bot responds with relevant, natural sounding answers and topics. The interface is designed to simulate a human conversation, creating natural engagement with the bot, as if you are talking to your friend. With its 175 billion parameters, it's hard to narrow down on what GPT-3 does. What it does not do: the model is restricted to language. It can't produce video, sound, or image like its brother Dolly 2. Fine. What are its applications? It is capable of generating human-like text and has a wide range of applications, including language translation, language modeling, customer service, online shopping, hiring and training staff, streamlining operations, and providing more personalized customer experiences. Generating text for applications such as chatbots. ChatGPT is potentially going to play a major role in the education field. ChatGPT can also be used to create interactive storytelling experiences, allowing users to explore and learn from virtual worlds. What are the limitations of ChatGPT? Although ChatGPT is a powerful AI-based chatbot system, it does have some limitations. It can only provide answers based on the data it has been trained on. ChatGPT is not a search engine. Therefore, it does not have the ability to search the internet for information. Rather, it uses the information it learned from the training data to generate responses. This leaves room for error, so all outputs should be fact-checked for accuracy and timeliness. The chatbot may not be able to provide in-depth information or understand context or nuances in conversation. If the data ChatGPT is trained on is biased, the answers the bot provides will also be biased. So there is a need to be vigilant about monitoring output from the chatbot to ensure it is free of bias and offensive content. It can't deal with concepts that are too recent. World events that have occurred in the past year will be met with limited knowledge, and the model can produce false or confused information occasionally. What are the moral and legal challenges? Intellectual property, bias and discrimination, data protection, fake news and misleading content, malicious code generator. Experts say that it could also hinder the students' ability to solve their own problems. ChatGPT could be a worry for the teachers as it would leave no room for creativity. By the way, it is not the only artificial intelligence capable of doing all this work. Google's Lambda and softwares created by Microsoft, Amazon, and Stanford University are also in the race. That's all about ChatGPT and its advantages and disadvantages. We hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.